Join me as I start the process of turning my small patio space with very little sunlight into an edible garden. What's up, everybody? All right, here we go. Let me show you something. All right, here we go. This patio is an absolute mess, but today we're turning it into a garden. I have no idea how this is gonna go with very little to no sun, but we're gonna find out together. The first thing I need to do is trim these birds of paradise. These are non-blooming birds of paradise, and as you can see, they get pretty big. They block a lot of sunlight too. So the birds of paradise on the other side don't get quite as big as you can see, and these are the flowering variety. Plenty of accumulated dust, dirt, and leaves. I had to hit that pavement with some dish detergent and give it a good scrubbing. I had to get everything cleaned up before I could set anything up. It was almost like when we were young and my grandmother wouldn't let us put up the Christmas decorations until we had the house cleaned and the drapes washed and just everything. Now to put these planters together. They were all fairly easy to put together. This particular one, as you could tell by the expression on my face, I was thinking, man, look at all these pieces. So it took me a couple of days to get everything put together. I'm pretty satisfied with the containers and probably going to end up with a few more. What's up, everybody? I'm on my patio. Got some work done, got a few of the containers together, and I want to show you what I got here. It's actually raining. You know what they say about rain here in Southern California. How's it go? Maybe I'll take a flight out tonight. You can pick me up about 8. I don't know what airline, girl, but I know it won't be late, 'cause they tell me it never rains in Southern California. I know I can't sing, but I sing. All right, so let me show you my progress here. All right, so this is what I have so far. I got this one. I think I'm gonna do some lettuces, some arugula, probably some spinach, some bok choy. I think maybe a nice flower, a large flower is gonna go in that pot. And these two pots are gonna be, or two containers are gonna be tomatoes. And everything that I'm growing, I'm keeping in mind that I have very little sunlight, so I have to get varieties that do well in the shade. A couple of these other tiered planters, a little smaller, but same thing. Lettuces, arugula, spinach, bok choy. We got this thing here, this vertical planter. I'm gonna do some bush beans. Right here, probably carrots, green onions, two big planters in the middle. I'm thinking Brussels sprouts, some kale. I want to do some radishes, some beets. I'm going to put some blackberries somewhere back here. And I've got these bags with a window for my potatoes. So I'm pretty sure there will end up being more containers. This is just a start. And next video will be buying plants and planting them. See you in the next one.